In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to Go High Level. We'll walk through this together from inside your Go High Level account, so you can follow along on your own screen. The goal here is to safely give someone full access as an admin, whether that's a team member, a manager, or a trusted partner, without overcomplicating the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account. From your main dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Near the bottom of that menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all of your account level controls live, including users and permissions, so you'll come back here often as your team grows. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see several tabs or options across the top or down the side, depending on your view. Find and click on the option labeled Team. This is the section where you manage everyone who has access to your account. If you already have users set up, you'll see them listed here along with their roles and statuses. Inside the team section, look for a button that says Add User. It's usually positioned near the top right of the page. Click on Add User to start creating a new admin profile. This opens a form where you'll fill in all the basic details for the person you're adding. Now, you'll want to carefully fill in the user's information. Enter their name and email address and double check the spelling so they receive their invitation without any issues. Next, look for the role or permission section. Here, you'll select the appropriate level of access. To make this person an admin, choose the option that gives them full administrative rights for your account or location, depending on how your system is set up. As you go through the on-screen prompts, you may see additional options, such as assigning specific locations, setting up notifications, or enabling certain tools for this user. Take a moment to think about what they actually need access to. Even as an admin, it's good practice to only enable the features that make sense for their responsibilities. Once everything looks correct, confirm or save your changes. Go High Level will typically send an email invitation to the user so they can set their own password and log in securely. After they accept the invite, they'll appear in your team list as an active admin user.